UConstable Ayanda Moyigwa oneminyaka engama-32 udutshulwe wabulawa esendleleni ebheke emsebenzini ngesikhathi ebona isigameko sokuphanga wazama ukusiza. Kulesi sigameko udutshulwe amahlandla ambalwa waphucwa nomakhalekhukhwini wakhe nesikhwama semali. Umbutho wamaphoyisa ubuye wabonga emswaneni emndenini wakhe.
The constable that we are standing in the family home was collecting his colleague to go to work, ready to serve this country as he should. He was a member of Border Police attached to Cape Town Airport, and as he was waiting for his colleague, he witnessed the crime happening. As he responded, the criminals turned to him and sprayed him with quite a number of bullets, taking his life, I must say, unprovoked.
Umndeni wakhe uthulahlekelwe kakhulu. Umoyigwa ubengumuntu wabantu ekulungele ukusiza ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Wayanda joine esipoliseni ngo-2018 nebe about unyaka wakhe wesixhenxe ngokwethu. Wayanda bengumuntu westrato engumalume sisaqhelekile abantwana bethu ngoba siza kubuza umalume singakwazi basiza uthi kuphi.
Mahlana amaphoyisa sedutshulwe abulawa esemsebenzini eKapa kulamasonto amabili edlule. Umbutho we-SAPS uthi sizoqina kakhulu isandla kulabo abasolwa ngamacala okubulala amaphoyisa.
Maybe we should revisit that police safety strategy that we have put in place. Perhaps somewhere, somehow, it is not responding adequately, which I think from time to time we really need to review our strategies and put stricter measures in ensuring that the life of police officials is not taken.
Abasolwa basagcwele amathafa.